Let's watch this specific Palisade rebuild. This is one of a dozen that is picking up by Globus. It's pretty sad. There's no houses around, as you can see. And right there is our T&G ALU60 or 50 Tongue and Groove system. And why developers love it? Because it's the same view on both sides. So the both houses will get the exact identical privacy, looks, and durability, because it's 6063 T6. That's going to give you the best stability fence you can. Those are 3x3 posts. Every single piece is cut per size to measure, has to fit per size. If not, the system won't work. And there you can see how it locks in. The T&G locks in right there, boom. So when it locks, it creates this curve. And why this curve comes in, because both pieces are a little bit of a tiny, tiny slight curve in it. And when they interact into each other, it makes this nice groove. And this nice groove will make that beautiful view where people fall in love with the tongue and groove system. And throwing on that it's AAMA2604, so super durable, and architectural powder coating finish, not standard. And after all the pieces are done, we have our top piece that can go in. This top piece will also help you create a gap if needed. And as you can see, our posts come at 8, 12, and 20 foot. So you're able to do basically any size you want. As developers love that fact that they can do 6 foot on some areas, 8 foot and 7 foot on different areas. That's our cap. That's a press cap. And you can also do our insert cap, which will be completely flush. You got to get your cut pretty damn good. If not, that won't look that good. There you go. So there's a couple houses here that we'll be picking up, and we'll be doing their fences. And this is probably the best choice you can if you're rebuilding in the Palisades. This is probably your best choice if you're rebuilding in the Palisades or Altadena or any fire zone, basically. But not only fire zones, also doing it in different places that are not required as a fire safety extra precaution. Why? Because this fence you're not going to paint every year. It's super durable. It's a non-combustible material. You know that it's made in the US by Globus, and you know that it's going to give you the most benefit for a fence, right? In regards to looks and maintenance. So you don't want to put composite, because composite contains plastic and wood. It's not a bad option, but aluminum is a better option if you don't want fading and you don't want any warping whatsoever. And then you got, what do you have there? Vinyl you can choose from. It's a low budget, low end. If there's no budget, fine. But keep in mind, we have a aluminum frame vinyl insert. And our vinyl is HD, so it's going to give you a super durable and keeping the budget pretty damn low. So keep that in mind once you're doing a budget project, to check out our ALU vinyl, it's called. And it comes out pretty nice. We did now in Pacific Palisade one project in a fire zone because of budget. It is still a better option because it's all framed aluminum and the top was aluminum. So it's still better than wood, and it's still better than your ordinary vinyl in regards to stability and obviously looks. So there was two very nice projects that are coming up. So there you go. Those are two nice projects that are coming up in a very sad zone, but we rebuild and rebuild strong, and this time will be beautiful. And yes, aluminum fence will help protect your house. And it's not about the flames. They can jump over a fence, right? A lot of people say, oh, but the flames can jump over the fence. Yes, they can jump over the fence. But if our aluminum fence is in the place, the fence is not going to create more flames. If this is composite or wood or vinyl or any other material, will catch on fire, will make more spark, will make more flames, and will help the fire get on your house. So that's the point of aluminum frame, is to have those barriers between the houses and have a little bit more protection in regards to fire. Fire, looks, UV protection, modern look. You can't get this modern look with almost any other style. Will still look a little bit hefty. If it's vinyl, you can tell right away that it looks like cheap. And composite, you can kind of tell that it's still kind of cheapy, but it's a good option. But if you can go all in and can go aluminum, that's where I recommend you go in, because you do it one time and it's done. And if in 20 years you need to paint it, super easy. It's paint ready. Take a metal paint and you just paint it, or even if you do a primer, then you can do any paint you want for exterior on that primer. So there's about a lot of benefits when it comes to aluminum, and you saw how it comes up, and you're able to fix, repair slats as you go if there's damage, earthquakes, or a kid throws something, BB gun, probably won't do too much, but let's say it did, you can able to take these slats out, remove the secure brackets, take it out, change the piece, and then boom, 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 drop it back in, put the secure piece back up, and then your caps, and there you go. You got a brand new fence. So checking out here in Globus, this is a nice project coming up. There's no house. It will be very nice once the house is done. See you guys on our next episode.